Okay. Question number 19 you told me, na?
Yes.
Question number
90.
90. Okay. Question number 90. Okay. What you are saying? You read. I just. Question number 19. What you are saying?
Point
They are.
ABC.
अच्छा A B C A B and C are vertices of a right angled triangle. Right? ABC are vertices of a right angled triangle. Fine. If I draw a right angled triangle, so it will be like this. Right? It is like this. फिर ये हो गया. This is right. This is how you take this here. It's given. You taken by your own.
By
B, C. What are the vertices? What coordinates of vertex C?
C -1, 4.
-1, 4. Okay. And B?
-2, A.
-2,
E.
A. B का?
E small a is
A. Yes. और A
0,
का?
3. 0, 3.
0, 3. This is great. अच्छा. So now we use coordinate axis. It's quite easy, so we go with coordinate axis. This is the coordinate axis, right? Like this. 1, 2. You don't do this. 4. I'll send the video to you. 5. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. ओके. अभी क्या करना है अपने को? फर्स्ट इज
-1,
A is 0,3, है ना?
yes.
तो where will go 0,3? 0,3 will be here. This is A. Okay. Now you have -2. अच्छा, पहले C is -1, 4. This is -1, 4. Right? like this. So this is 0,3. This is, we take 2, a minus 2, a. याद रखना नहीं, पिछली में गड़बड़ हो गई थी. -1, 4 ये हो गया. ठीक है. ओके. Now what you do, you find, first you find this is C A B. You take, first you take CA, AC. AC is equal to how much? If we have taken AC, so we will take first A. So 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 whole square plus AC square plus 0 comma plus 1 का whole square. So AC is equal to root over 1 का square plus 1 का square becomes 2 root 1 square 1, 1 square 1, 1 plus 1 becomes 2 to 2 root. So AC is root 2. ठीक? Okay. AC is root 2. Okay. Now we take AB. So what happens in AB? 3 minus A whole square is equal to, plus 0 plus 2 whole square. तो ये हो गया 3 minus A का whole square plus 4. Right? This is so what you do, you won't write here root over, so AC square is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. ठीक? And AB square is 3 minus A plus 4. Fine? अब क्या बचा आपके पास? BC square. Now BC square is what? BC square is how much? पहले लिखा. Okay, A minus 4. A minus 4 whole square plus minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 whole square. तो ये कितना हो गया? A minus 4 whole square plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 and 1 square is 1. So ये हो गया. Right? Now on applying Pythagoras theorem, तो क्या हुआ? BC square is equal to AC square plus AB square, right? Huh? What is BC square? That is A minus 4 whole square plus 1 is equal to AC square is equal to 2 plus AB square is 3 minus A whole square plus 4. Getting? Huh?
Yes.
Okay. Now
A square by
तो हम
plus
क्या करें, अगर हम ये लिख लें a माइनस 4 होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 2 plus 4
6.
6 minus 1 5, so 3 minus a whole square plus 5, right? Now you open the bracket, and when you open the bracket,
A square
then you get
plus 4A
then you get a square plus 16 minus 8a is equal to 9 plus a square
6A
minus 6a plus 5. You get this?
yes.
Okay. Okay. Now this a square and a square is gone. Right? A square and a square is gone. So,
8A minus 6A
you bring this 8 on this side. Right? And you bring this 9 plus 5 becomes 14. So 16 minus 14 is equal to 8a minus 6a. So it becomes 2a. 2 is equal to
14. Sorry, 2A.
2a is equal to 2a. So a is equal to 1. A is equal to 1. What is your solution?
Right.
करेक्ट?
Yes.
इसका मतलब ये जो फिगर बनेगी ये यहां पे ना आके ये यहां पे आएगा, राइट? तो ये जो डायग्राम बनेगा वो ऐसा बनेगा, ये ऐसे जाएगा, ये ऐसे जाएगा और ये ऐसे, ठीक है? तो ये हो गया
2 minus
-2,
1.
आ जाएगा.
Yes.
This is the diagram and how we have to solve this. Do you understand?
Yes.
Great. Can I rub this? I hope you understand, na?
Yes.
Okay. What is next question you want to ask?
14.
14. What is that?
Using distance formula, show that point A, B, C are
Wait,
collinear.
look the bhai. Question 14. What is?
A, B, C point are collinear or not?
Prove point A, B, and C are co-linear or not. What is the coordinate of A?
3, 1.
3, 1. Okay.
6, 4.
B is 6,
4.
6, 4.
8, 6.
8, 6. This is okay. If I draw a Cartesian plane, right, like this is right, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? And गलत हो गया 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right? Now what it is saying?
3, 1.
Point is 3, 1.
6,
Sorry, 1 minute. 3, 1. Now फिर 6,
4.
ये क्या हो गया?
6,
6, 4.
8, 6.
फिर 8, right, this is टेढ़ा हो गया ना? ये कितना हो गया?
6,
No, 8, 6.
sorry, 8, 6.
8, 6. Right? And this is 3, 1. These are. Now, if we join these lines, right? So it means it is going like this. This is A, this is B, this is C. है ना? So it means AC is equal to AB plus BC. Getting my point? Huh? That is. Okay, so how you get this? AC. First we get AC. So AC square is equal to 1 minus 6 1 minus 6 का होल स्क्वायर प्लस 3 अबे 3 minus 8
3 minus 8
whole square. It is how much? Minus 5 whole square plus minus 5 whole square. So it becomes again 25 plus 25. It becomes 50. So AC is equal to
5 root 2.
root 50. So we can write 5 root 2. AC is 5 root 2. Great. Now we go for which one? Which you like? AB. AB square. AB is equal to minus 1 minus 4 whole square plus 3 minus 6 whole square. So how much you get? Minus 3 whole square plus
3 whole square.
minus 3 whole square. So this is how much? 3 ka square?
3 root 2.
9. 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. So AB is equal to root over 18 becomes
3 root.
3 root 2. Right? फिर BC square is equal to
6 minus
4 comma minus 6 का होल स्क्वायर प्लस 6 minus 8 का होल स्क्वायर. Is it correct?
Yes.
4 minus 6, 6 minus 8. So you get minus 2 whole square plus minus 2 whole square. So कितना हुआ? 4 plus 4 8. 4 plus 4 becomes 8.
8.
So BC square is equal to 4 plus 4 8. ठीक है, तो ये कितना हो गया? BC is equal to 2 root 2, right? So BC is equal to 2 root 2, AB is equal to 3 root 2, or AC is equal to 5 root 2, right? And what you wrote here? What you wrote here? AC is equal to AB plus BC. Length of AB is how much? 5 root 2 is equal to length of AB 3 root 2 plus length of BC 2 root 2. So therefore 5 root 2, this is 5 root 2 is equal to 5 root 2 is equal to 5 root 2. Therefore A point A B C lies on one line, or ABC are collinear. This is the one way to solve the question. मुझे लग रहा था यार मेरी यार point A, B and C lies on one line. ठीक है
Yes.
this is the one way. This is as per your class. अब हमें इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन अगर निकालना है मान लो, राइट? सो हम क्या करेंगे, हम पहले इसका स्लोप निकाल लेते हैं, राइट? कैन आई रन दिस?
Yes.
We need इसको थोड़ा हाफ है, but just upgrade. This is upgradation of your knowledge. For your class answer is finished. इस तरह से तुम्हें निकालना होगा, ठीक है? बट अगर हम ये कहें this is like so, अब सपोज इसको ले लेते हैं, तो m is equal to yc minus ya upon xc minus xa. yc is 6 minus ya 1 upon
XC 8.
xc is 8
3 minus
and this is minus 3.
4 upon
So it becomes
5 upon 5.
5 upon 5 is equal to 1. So m is equal to 1, right? Now y minus yb is equal to m bracket x minus xb. So y minus yb is how much?
4.
4 minus 4 is equal to 1 bracket x minus
6.
x is equal to 6. Sure?
Yes.
6. Okay. So now we get y minus 4 is equal to x minus 6. So we can write x minus x minus y is equal to
4 plus 6.
minus 6 minus 4 becomes 2. This is the equation of line. इस लाइन की जो इक्वेशन है वो क्या है?
X minus y.
y is equal to 2, right? ये इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन निकाल लिया हमने. नाउ इफ वी पुट द कोऑर्डिनेट्स तो क्या हो जाएगा? यहां पे क्या दिया गया? 3 minus 1 ना. तो अब आप इस इक्वेशन में इन वैल्यूज को रखो. इस इक्वेशन में इन वैल्यूज को जब आप डालो, यू विल कीप दीज वैल्यूज. सो 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So 2 is equal to 2. So they are satisfying the equation. If you put this equation, if you put these values here, so what happens? X minus y. So 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. So 2 is equal to 2. Right? And here what happens? Similarly, if you do this with this one, then what happens? This is, 8 minus 6 is equal, 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. So 2 is equal to 2. ठीक, राइट? अब हम यहां पे लिखेंगे since coordinate of each point satisfying linear equation of line that x minus y is equal to 2. Right? Since coordinates of each point satisfy equation of line x minus y is equal to 2, so each point is collinear की spelling क्या लिखी? What is spelling of collinear?
COLLININ.
ठीक है, collinear, right? और points A, B and C are collinear. Right? I hope you understand. Huh? So I solved the question in both ways. Yeah. As per, as per your class, as well as per what we can do else, right? So thank you.